to my channel, Joyful Journey Fit. My name is Ellie. I'm so happy you're here with me today for another step aerobics workout. Very low impact, knee friendly, those step basics to help you with your daily step count. Also help to build strength and bone density, as well as balance and mobility. So let's begin the workout with a short warm-up. For an extended warm-up, please see the video at the top of the screen. Let's place our hands down by our side. We're going to take a nice inhale, lifting the arms to shoulder height, and then exhaling as you lower the arms down to your side. So 3 more times, that beneficial inhale, pausing slightly, and then exhaling fully on the way down. Once more. Placing the hands on the hips, those feet hip-width apart. We'll do some of those hip circles. Just bringing mobility, warming up the joints of the hip. Feeling that nice rotational massage on the soles of the feet. Excellent. We'll go the other way. Very good. One more time, lifting the arms up the whole way up with that inhale, and then the whole way down with that exhale. Let's get ready for some music and enjoy that rhythmic beat of that energy that you fully create inside. Working together, exercising together. Let's build that community. Follow the prompts on the screen. Enjoy this workout. you finish another routine. Perform this for an added cool down. See the video at the top of the screen. Enjoy your day. Keep walking. Excellent job. Let's come into that nice balanced stance. Feet shoulder width apart. We'll do those beneficial hip circles, noticing any change in the hips, any more fluidity, that energy, uplifting that spirit. We'll circle the other way, just loose through the knees, grounded in the feet, that slight bend in the knee. Excellent job. Let's leave the arms up to that L-shaped goalpost stance. Lift the arms up high and then gently, slowly lower them to shoulder height. Just taking that beneficial inhale and then exhale. Cooling down the body. Once more. Keep the arms in this goalpost. Bring them together and apart. This workout was a total body conditioning workout. Very heart healthy. Upper body, lower body strength. Excellent. Place the arms down by your side. Rest the palms forward. Take a nice beneficial inhale. And then slowly exhale. Once more, inhale. And exhale. Place a foot on the step until we press into the heel. Excellent. Tilt back, still maintaining that nice stance with the back. Resting the heel, slight bend in the knee on that right side. And stretching out the calf. You can lean forward if you wish for an additional stretch in the back of the hamstrings. Standing up tall. Place that right foot on the floor. That left foot is on the step. Pressing that heel onto the step, maintaining both. Balance on the feet. Excellent. Stepping back onto that right side. Lifting up the toes of the left foot. The heel is placed on the step. Leaning forward slightly to feel that back of the hamstrings and the calf. Standing up tall. Place that left foot down by your side. Walk in place. Have a beautiful day, friends.